Hi, this is Dr. Swapna and I welcome you to your Learn Lab. If you are an IGNOU student looking for help in your studies, then you have reached the right place. Here we have lecture videos on different core and elective subjects of important IGNOU courses. We aim to help you ace your exams. So hit subscribe to our channel, and as you watch, make sure to like and share too. Come and join me on this beautiful learning journey. In this video, we start with the fourth and the final block of statistical methods for psychological research, which is BPCC 108. Okay, and we are doing unit 10. What is SPSS? SPSS stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. It is a software developed by Norman Nye, Dale Bent and Hadley Hull in 1968 while they were still working at the Stanford University. So when the software became a success in 2009, it was acquired by IBM and is now known as IBM SPSS. Alright, it's a software program used for data management, analysis and visualization. So if you have lots of amount of data which you need to process, like maybe you might have to calculate standard deviation or maybe one-way ANOVA, this software will do it all for you. You just have to enter the data, give the command and it will give you the final answer. Pretty easy, right? Yeah. So this is SPSS. It's widely used in various fields including social sciences, business, research and education. Alright. What is the use of SPSS? First of all, data entry and management. SPSS allows users to enter and manage data in a structured format. So you have a sample with 50 individuals. You have studied some effect of a drug on 50 individuals. So, and you have data on all these people which you have to manage. So a software will make it easy for you to handle that data, store that data and analyze it, right? Descriptive statistics. It can calculate basic statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation and frequency distribution. All this come under descriptive statistics. Then it also helps you in inferential statistics. SPSS supports various inferential statistical procedures such as t-test, ANOVA, correlation and regression. Alright. Then SPSS can also be used for data visualization. It provides tools to create charts, graphs and tables to visualize the data patterns. Finally, it also helps in data analysis. So we first entered the data, right? Then we manage the data, we visualize the data and finally we analyze the data. SPSS helps in analyzing complex relationships within data to draw meaningful conclusions. Alright. Then we have advantages of SPSS. First of all, it has a very user-friendly interface. It's not pretty difficult. If you have used Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you will be easily able to handle SPSS also. SPSS is known for its intuitive interface, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Comprehensive statistical functionality. SPSS offers a wide range of statistical procedures from basic descriptive statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation to advanced multivariate analysis like ANOVA, right? Also, it helps in data management. It provides robust data management capabilities including importing and exporting data from various sources and file formats, merging data sets and handling missing values. So SPSS can do all these data management for you. It can export data, it can import data from any sources, it can combine data and then it can find missing values also. Data visualization, data management, data upload, data management, data visualization, then data analysis, all of it, okay. SPSS offers powerful data visualization tools, allowing users to create various charts, graphs and tables to present their data in clear and concise way. Then large dataset handling. SPSS is designed to handle large datasets with multiple variables, making it accessible for large scale research projects. This was the advantages of using SPSS. You can imagine how software can make life easy for you if you are doing statistics. So you can imagine and write the story very easily. Then we have two more advantages: automated tasks and scripting. SPSS allows for automation of repetitive tasks and creation of reusable scripts, improving efficiency and reproducibility. Which means I might be doing a research where I have to club, maybe what do I say? I have to club chi-square and I have to club ANOVA probably. Okay, so I can write a script that all the data that I'm entering, it has to be analyzed using these two tests. So once I create that script, I can reuse that script multiple times. I can save it and reuse it so that every time I'm entering the data, I don't have to give the command again and again. It will do it by itself. Okay, that's what it means by it can we can create reusable scripts. So this improves efficiency and reproducibility also. Wide adoption and support. SPSS is widely used software package in academia, research and industry. So it has a strong user community and extensive resources available. So this was an introduction to SPSS. In our coming videos, we'll see how to use SPSS to do various computations and analysis. We'll also see how to use Microsoft Excel to do calculations on descriptive and inferential statistics. Alright, so this is a very small video here, just the introduction. I suggest you go back and brush all the concepts that I have listed in the start of the video, and then we can go into it in detail. Alright.